Hello students and welcome this session. Last session we learned about natural resources and this session we will learn about ecosystem. Ecosystem means what is the ecosystem? So first we will see this definition. See here, a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical, chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. Can you understand? No. I will explain. See here, a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms. All living organism means that all living things which are present on the earth. For example, plant, trees, animals, maybe you, I, your parents, again any animal also, lion, tiger, any plant also. These all living organisms formed a system by interacting with each other with physical chemical factors, means they used the physical and chemical factors to survive. For example, physical factor means what? Just I need to eat food. I eat for example chapati that is made from wheat. Then wheat what provide us? That wheat consists proteins and carbohydrates. So it is a physical factor, we need food to eat to survive. Chemical factors means what? For example, we taking breath and we observing that oxygen from air. It is a chemical factor. Again, we drinking water, it is also chemical factor. So that all living organisms interact with each other and they use the physical and chemical factors from the environment in which they live, means in which environment they are living. They interact with each other and they were doing physical and chemical factors, means they using that physical and chemical factor from the environment where they live and all linked by transfer of energy and material. See here, now it is very important. Transfer of energy means just I told you I need food to survive. Just I told you one example, wheat. Means wheat it consists of carbohydrates and proteins. Just I ate that food and I got energy. It is called a material. See here, maybe now you will understand. A system formed by the interaction of living organisms means that all living organisms formed a system with interact with each other. Just I told you in natural environment that three components means lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. These three components, the right mix of the three components make a biosphere. Like that all living organism formed a system where they lived, means which environment they lived. In that environment they used physical and chemical factors to get energy. It is called a ecosystem. So now this concept we will see again through the story of Ravi. See, just I told you Ravi is a imaginary boy and he went in NCC camp with his friends, and one of his friend from Kerala, and that time it was heavy raining, and his friend from Kerala, see what told her, I remembered my Kerala, my homestead. There is a heavy rain. We getting a heavy rain there. There are very. It is a green forest and there are coconut plantation also there. Another one friend of that Ravi, she told we not get more rain. Wherever we see only sand. We can see that cactus plant and date plants there. So she is from Rajasthan. See here, then Ravi thought why it is like that, means that land, plant, animals peoples, they are different from place to place. So why it is? So here see, all plants, animals and human beings, they depends on their immediate surroundings. Means for example, see in the desert we can see camel. Why it is there? Because that camel can survive without water many days. If we send that camel on the pole, means on a frozen area, then it can't survive. And that polar bear, it can survive on in that snowy region, means colder region. It can't survive in desert region. Means what? That animals or that plants, human beings, they depend their immediate surroundings. Next on, relation between the living organism and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Means that camel can survive in desert, that polar bear survive in colder region, that any fish can survive in any other water sources. It is their immediate surroundings, and that all living organism, there is something relation between them with each other. So relation between the living organism and their surroundings forms an ecosystem. For example, see here, rainforest, grassland, desert, lake and pond. See here, in lake also there is an ecosystem, in pond also there is an ecosystem. In a pond, any frog, he also can make an ecosystem with each which living things are, or any other environment is there, he can survive there and he make an ecosystem.